everyone, welcome to the code overview for Morph image detection project. So first of all, this is our folder structure. We have two files, requirements.txt and main.py. So main.py is our main file. So this is the file where all the magic happens. So first of all, this is a Python script that demonstrates the use of Tkinter GUI toolkit and the OpenCV computer vision library to compare two images using the SSIM metric, which is structural similarity index. So first of all, in this code you will see all the libraries imported. So it has Tkinter for our GUI, CV2 and rest other libraries. Here we have SSIM, structural similarity, and we are importing it as compare underscore SSIM. Then we have global gray A, gray B, and IM1 and IM2 declared. So the global keyword here is used to specify that certain variables, that means these four variables are declared as global and they are not local variables. So wherever we want to use it in the code, we can use it. We don't have to declare them multiple times. Then we have three functions here: select image 1, select image 2, and check image. So this is the check image function, and okay, this is select image 1, this is select image 2. So this is how our GUI or UI looks like. So this is the function for select image 1, this is for select image 2, and this is for check image. So let's see one by one what each function does. So select image 1 and select image 2 has basically does the same thing. So in this function it allows us to it basically opens a dialog window and allows us to select an image from our computer or system. So let's see. So if I click in here, so a dialog window opens up here and it allows me to select an image. So I can just select it here, and this is for the select image 2, which is select test image. So this does basically the same thing. It allows me to select an image. So I have selected here two different images. One is the original one and one is the morphed one. Now comes the third and the main function, and also the select image 2 and 1 function. Apart from allowing us to select an image, it also converts those images in grayscale. So we'll see its use in the check image function. So check image function allows users to check image, which is like basically compare the two images which we have uploaded already, and it uses the compare SSIM to do that. So basically what it does is it subtracts the two grayscale images. This subtraction allows to see the differences between the two images, and then it gives us the result by giving a red box or a box around the morphed places. I'll just give you a demo on how it looks like. It's not fitting in the window. And we'll just hit on check, and you can see here it's giving a red box here. So that's what I meant when I said that it gives a red box on the morphed parts. So it will show you where the image is morphed, and in this way you can see to what part of the image the changes are made. So that's all about this code. It has nothing much. So I hope you understood what is this code about. I explained you each and every function. So that's all about the code overview for the Morph image detection project. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.